Alrighty folks, welcome back to Digitonic One. What we got here are 5 Cash Explosion Instant Ohio Lottery tickets. Went up to $5,000. Let's read the particulars. Reveal 3 identical prize amounts, win that prize. Reveal 2 identical prize amounts and a multiplier, 2x or 5x, to multiply your prize. Reveal entry 3 times to become eligible to appear on our TV game show. And I guess the Ohio Lottery finally did start putting full episodes on YouTube. I guess they got a link on the Ohio Lottery website now. So if you want to watch full episodes, just go to Ohio Lottery websites and the link should be there somewhere. Alright, let's see what we got here. We're going to use a new coin that Jim Tuyu sent me. If you haven't checked out Jim's channel, most definitely check it out. It's got awesome contests and awesome content. And let's see what we got now. All right. Got $5, $20, and $500. Got 2 20s, a 50. $50, 2 50s, and 2 20s. Come on, come on. $10. $5. Uh-oh, got 2 5s, 2 50s, and 2 20s. And our last spot. Got a 5. Got a 5. 500. Nope. That one's a loser. You're out of here, Ohio Lottery loser. On to ticket number 25. Got an entry, folks. Got an entry. $50. $2. $20. $10. $5. Got the 2x, folks. We got the 2x. Double the prize. Double the prize. What are we doubling? Got $4. Got 2 of anything yet? Doesn't look like it. Let's see what we got. Doubling $2, it looks like. So we got a $4 winner. $4 winner. All right. Put that in the win pile. On to ticket number 26. $5. Entry. Entry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Might have an entry ticket here, folks. Might have an entry ticket. $100. $100. $2. Come on, let's get that entry ticket. $2. 2 entries and 2 2s. And $4. And our last chance here, folks. Last chance on this ticket. $4. So that one's a loser. Second chance drawing. You're out of here, Ohio Lottery loser. On to ticket number 27. Uh-oh, folks. Got the big entry right off the bat. $5. $5,000. $10. Entry, folks. 2 entries. $2. One more entry. We got an entry ticket to the TV game show. $100. $50. All right. The last spot is $10. $10. All right. Well, that one's a loser too. You're out of here. All right. Last ticket here. Ticket number 28. $10. $20. Entry. Got one entry. 500. 500. That's two 500s. 20. Got two 20s and two 500s. 5,000. $10. Two 10s. Let's see. Two 10s, two 20s, and two 500s. Can we eke out a win? Can we eke out a win? 5. Got a 5. 5,000. Nope. No winner on that one. All right. Thanks for watching, folks. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. All we got was a little $4 winner on this session. And that's about it, folks. Thanks for watching.